Hi everyone, welcome back to Cook with Antoniette Tee. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more easy and tasty home recipes. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much. Make sure to like the video and share it with your friends. Today we are making a classic favorite, wet fried fish, and it will be juicy, flavorful and super simple to make. Let's get right into it. For the ingredient, we are going to need curry powder, a ginger, 2 tomatoes and 1 red onion. We are also going to use salt for taste. I bought a deep fried fish, but we needed it more crispy, so we are going to deep fry it once more. We start by heating the oil. Now that our fish is ready, we are going to cook it by frying the onion first. Look at that tender, flavorful wet fried fish that pairs perfectly with ugali, rice, or even chapati. For me, I went with ugali. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like, comment, and share it with your friends. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to Cook with Antoniette Tee for more tasty recipes every week, every day. Thank you for watching and see you next time.